Welcome to a new day, filled with infinite possibilities and opportunities for joy. This morning meditation is designed to help you embrace the day with an open heart and a positive spirit. Through mindfulness and affirmations, we'll prepare your mind and body to welcome joy into every moment. Find a comfortable place where you can sit or lie down. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in through your nose, and exhale through your mouth. Let the calm of the morning surround you as we begin. Grounding in the present moment, let's start by grounding ourselves in the present. Take a slow, deep breath in. Hold it for a moment, and release it. Feel the cool air as you inhale and the warmth as you exhale. Notice how your body feels against the surface you're resting on. Repeat these affirmations to anchor yourself in the now. I am present in this moment, ready to embrace the day. I let go of yesterday and welcome today with joy and openness. This moment is my starting point for a joyful day. Imagine the energy of the earth beneath you rising to meet you, grounding you in its stability and strength. Welcoming the energy of joy, now, let's turn our attention to joy. Visualize a radiant light glowing at the center of your chest, in your heart space. This light represents the joy within you. With each breath, see it expanding outward, filling your entire body with warmth and positivity. Repeat these affirmations to welcome joy into your life. Joy flows through me effortlessly. I choose to see the beauty in every moment. Happiness is my natural state of being. Feel the light spreading beyond your body, illuminating your surroundings, and setting the tone for a joyful day. Connecting with gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful pathway to joy. Let's take a moment to reflect on the blessings in your life. Think about one thing, big or small, that you're grateful for. It could be the warmth of the morning sun, the sound of birds singing, or the breath in your lungs. Hold that thought in your mind and feel the gratitude it brings. Repeat these affirmations to cultivate gratitude. I am grateful for the gift of this new day. Each moment is an opportunity for joy and growth. I cherish the blessings in my life and welcome more. Feel the gratitude spreading through your heart, lifting your spirit and preparing you to embrace the day. Visualization for a joyful day. Now, let's visualize your day ahead. Picture yourself moving through your day with a smile on your face and lightness in your heart. See yourself encountering moments of happiness, whether in the people you meet, the tasks you accomplish, or the simple joys of life. Repeat these affirmations to set your intentions. I welcome joy and positivity into my day. I am open to the miracles that today has to offer. Every moment is a chance to create happiness. Hold on to this vision as you prepare to carry it with you throughout the day. Letting go of stress and negativity. To fully embrace joy, we must let go of anything that no longer serves us. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, imagine releasing any stress, negativity, or worries. See them dissolving like clouds, leaving the sky of your mind clear and bright. Repeat these affirmations to reinforce this release. I let go of what I cannot control and embrace what I can. I release negativity and make space for joy. I am free to enjoy this day fully. Feel the lightness within you as you let go and make room for positivity. Affirming your inner joy, joy comes from within. Let's connect with the unshakable happiness that resides in your soul. Repeat these affirmations to affirm your inner joy. Joy is my natural state, and I return to it with ease. My happiness radiates from within, touching everything around me. I am a source of light, love, and joy. Feel the warmth of these words as they settle into your heart, creating a reservoir of happiness you can draw from at any time. Closing with peace and intention, as we come to the end of this meditation, let's seal our practice with peace and intention. Take a deep breath in and out. Feel your connection to the world around you and the joy within you. Repeat these closing affirmations. I carry peace and joy with me into this day. I am ready to embrace the beauty and wonder of today. This day is a gift, and I will make the most of it. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Take a moment to stretch or move, and notice how you feel lighter, more joyful, and ready to embrace the day ahead.